Green tea has a variety of potential health benefits. These benefits include anti-carcinogenic, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties and benefits in cardiovascular disease and oral health. Green tea is a great way to start your day. It can easily replace the caffeine need every morning. It is full of antioxidants, it can have various flavors, and it is calorie-free. Green tea benefits are numerous. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friend who needs to watch this video. Give your opinion, your contribution will be beneficial for the channel. So, here are 10 amazing benefits of green tea. 1. Increases fat burning. Green tea is known for increasing metabolism. Because of thermogenic properties and increasing the level of fat oxidation, it leads to weight loss. 2. Improves physical performance. The content of caffeine can improve physical performance. Because of the fat oxidation, the fatty acids are made available to be used as energy, fueling the body. 3. Excellent source of antioxidants. Due to the processing type, green tea retains the maximum amount of antioxidants. This is what gives green tea its many benefits. 4. Fights diseases. Green tea is the best food source of a group of antioxidants called catechins. These antioxidants were proven to be more powerful than vitamins C and E. They help slowing down the cell damage process and appear to have other disease-fighting properties. 5. Hydrates your skin and the entire body. The detoxifying effects of the antioxidants found in tea can help to regenerate and repair cells. They also protect the skin from harmful free radicals. Despite the caffeine content, tea is really hydrating, as it is mostly water. 6. Improves blood flow. Flavonoids, found in tea, help protect the heart from cardiovascular disease. Drinking green tea may also significantly reduce the risk of high blood pressure. 7. Lowers cholesterol. Due to the antioxidants content, green tea can help block the oxidation of bad cholesterol and increase the good cholesterol. 8. Dental health. The antimicrobial qualities of tea help to prevent dental cavities and bad breath caused by bacteria. 9. Antibacterial. It was proven that the level of antibacterial proteins contained in the blood of the green tea drinkers was much higher. It has been shown to have a major impact on your immune system. 10. Increases lifespan. All the benefits mentioned above, the anti-inflammatory properties, regenerating, and repairing the cells are likely to increase the lifespan of the tea drinkers. I hope you like it. Thank you very much for listening and leaving your feedback. Subscribe and share it with your friend who needs to watch this video. It really helps the channel. Thank you.